What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Baba stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we got this local bottom, right after which this asset gained about 3.4% to its value. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you what news might be the crucial for this asset for upcoming weeks. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point when this asset was about to retest this range of support that I drew previously, and it is quite strong range of support that collects several bottoms, several local bottoms, basically from the middle of December of 2023. And as you can see, this asset had a perfect bounce out of this range, and for now we have this quite interesting price action that potentially might be the beginning of a new uptrend. But everything I will show you in just several minutes in my technical analysis. And for now, if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. On top of that, for now, there is not so many people inside the Discord Discord community. That is why, if you join this Patreon right now, you will be able to have almost 100% of my time that will be completely dedicated to you. And this will lead to pretty much a one-on-one training with the price of $450 a month for the price of just $35 a month. So, I think it is quite fair deal. And let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, guys, if you try to find out the most recent news related to Baba stock, if you Google Baba stock and switch to News tab folder, you will not find a lot of recent news that might be the catalyst for this asset. I would say we don't have any recent news at all, and we basically have a lack of news. If you use this recent, if you change the recent timeline to, let's say, past week news, you can see that we also don't have a lot of news that might be important. We definitely have on the table the news of the canceling their IPO, one of their logistics unit, and definitely this was the reason that previously pushed the price of this asset down for about 5%. And guys, with the lack of news, we have to rely on the general sentiment of the market, and let's take a look right here. We are on marketbeat.com, and here you can see the consensus analyst price target is still quite high at $115.44, which implies about 57.33% of upside potential. Unfortunately, we don't have the most recent updates except Mizuho that was published on March 27th. But all of the recent updates have a quite high price targets, despite almost all of them lowered their price targets. And if you take a look right here on TipRanks, you can see that consensus analyst price target according to this website is $104, which implies slightly above 42% of upside potential. The most interesting part is right here. Among 18 analysts who made their forecast on this asset, you can see that 15 of them suggest to buy the stock, 3 to hold and 0 to sell. And in general, I would say Alibaba is a quite lucrative asset if you want to invest in certain company for quite a long period of time, from 12 to 18 months. And the main downside for this asset is definitely a Chinese Communist Party, because you know that Chinese Communist Party pushed the prices of a lot of Chinese companies down because of their crackdown. But it is what it is. We have to keep this in mind, and if you take a look on the sentiment among the so-called smart money list, you can see that not so many companies changed their position. Some of them opened completely new position like this one. At the very end of March, they filed this line, and they invested about $8.2 million in Alibaba. At the same time, some companies reduced its position, like this one, Dunham Emerging Market Stock. They reduced its position by 63%. And in general, I would say we don't have a lot of actions inside the so-called smart money list. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, when you can see this type of lack of news, definitely you should rely on technical analysis. And you know that in general, if the company doesn't have a lot of news that might push the price of this asset higher, it implements more bearish pressure on the asset. And at the same time, when the certain asset reaches its crucial point, you can rely on this point as the potential trend reversal point. And it happened right here. Just several days ago, about 5 days ago, we retested this range of support and we have this bounce. Does it mean that this movement will continue to move higher? It is debatable because we have to see more deeper retracement, and when it happens, and if it happens, it might be a decent chance to enter the position with a strict stop loss slightly below this bottom, which might imply just a couple of percentage of potential losses. And guys, if you want to have more confirmation, wait for the breakout. Wait for the breakout below the range of support at about $70 mark or above the range of resistance. And right after this breakout, you can conclude if the volume is supporting this breakout, you can conclude the direction of its next potential movement. And in general, I would say that this asset is closer to its lowest points. If you switch to weekly time frame, zoom out and clean the chart, you can see that this asset was at extremely high levels at $317, but so far it is near its lowest point, and the lowest point ever is at about $57.53. And guys, this means this asset, especially if you think about their business model, this asset is in quite lucrative position because it has much bigger upside potential than the downside. That is why, despite all the risks, this asset might be very interesting contender to be in your investment portfolio. And I have to say that you shouldn't try to trade this stock if you don't know how to properly manage your position. But if you want to invest, definitely within next 12 to 18 months, this asset most likely will break its previous swing highs. And as you can see, we have clear range of resistance that were touched by the price at least several times. Right here, back in November of 2014, right here in July of 2022, and right here in January of 2023. This means the upside potential in the medium-term perspective, I mean 12 to 18 months, is at least 60% of potential profit. So, I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life.